Hello and welcome back to HUD Reset Info. In this video, I will show you how to show or hide your HUD in Hollow Knight Silksong. Let's begin. Of course, the HUD itself is currently referring to only Hornet's hit points, but don't you worry, it's still doable. Here, what you want to do is press Escape or the Options button if you are on a controller, then head into Options. Now, you want to go into Game, and here we have our HUD appearance. As you can see, we can switch between large and small, but we can also switch off. And now we are basically playing the game on extra hard mode, since you have no idea how much health points Hornet have. So it is a very nice way for you to take, for example, very nice screenshots if you want to use them in, for example, your stream or as a thumbnail in the YouTube video or whatever else. And of course, if you want to get your HUD back, all you want to do is just go through the same process. So hit Options or Pause menu, then go into Options, Game, and simply switch from HUD appearance to small or large. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.